Nice topic. Chest palpation. The process is palpate the area over the left ventricle of the heart, called interior emptiness or deficiently in Chinese medicine. Nandiyan po yung drawing po. Pulse of the heart can be felt in this area, sometimes seen. Okay? The area reflects the state of zong qi or the gathering qi. Okay? So, there are key things to remember. Faint but clear pulsation indicates gathering qi deficiency. Two strong pulsations indicate outpouring of gathering qi. Example, a state of hyperactivity due to over-pushing oneself. Pulsation not felt indicates phlegm or a hiatus hernia. And the area below xiphoid process feeling full and painful on pressure indicates a full pattern. Okay, remember. So let's go to abdomen palpation. The abdomen is generally palpated in 5 areas: hypochondrium, epigastrium, umbilical area, lateral lower abdomen, and central lower abdomen. Okay. So hypochondrium, this includes the lateral side of the rib cage and area immediately below it. Diyan po yung drawing. It reflects the state of the liver and gallbladder. Okay. Epigastrium, this area contained between the xiphoid process, costal margins, and the umbilicus. It reveals the condition of stomach and spleen. Okay, remember. Umbilical region, it is the area right around the umbilicus. It reflects the state of the kidneys, the penetrating and directing vessels. Okay, umbilical area has a palpable pulse as well. So, pwede nyong kapain. Okay? Lateral lower abdomen, it is called Xiao Fu. It reflects the state of the intestines and the penetrating vessel. Okay? Yan po ang drawing. So, the central lower abdomen, it is also called Xiao Fu. It reflects the state of the small intestine, kidneys, bladder, uterus, and liver. Okay? So, let's go to Japanese Hara diagnosis. Step 1, compare big and small abdomen. Yan po sa drawing, tingnan po ninyo. Big abdomen deficient, it is lung or spleen. Okay? Kapag small abdomen deficient, it is liver or kidney. Okay? Step 2, determine Nanjing abdominal diagnosis area. Sa spleen, it is the umbilical, CB7 or CB12. Sa heart, substernal, CB12 or CB15, I mean. Lungs, it is the right of the navel, right abdomen, okay? Liver, it is lower left the navel, left abdomen, okay? It's the kidney, subumbilical, CB7 or pubis, okay?